Today's session, today concept is STLC, Software Testing Lifecycle, STLC. Today concept is STLC. STLC means Software Testing Lifecycle. Software Testing Lifecycle contains 6 phases: test planning, test development, test execution, result analysis, bug tracking, and reporting. STLC contains 6 phases: test planning, test development, test execution, result analysis, bug tracking, and reporting. So first, test plan. Test plan document prepared by test lead based on the customer requirement, based on the company, based on the project type. He will prepare the test plan document. Test plan document prepared by test lead. Test lead will prepare the test plan document. So this is very, very important. Whenever you are facing the interview, that time without asking your name, they may give job. Without asking this test plan document, they will not give job. So test plan is very, very important. So this test plan prepared by test lead. So sometimes senior software test engineer is also involved to prepare this test plan document. So actually this plan prepared by test lead. But how to do this particular project? He will give set of guidelines. Using that guidelines, we can work with this particular project. So only this project plan is applicable for only this particular project. This plan is applicable for only this particular project. So what do you mean by plan? What do you mean by plan? What do you mean by plan, madam?
Strategy, preparing strategy, how to go ahead with the project.
Yes, plan is nothing but it is a strategic document. Plan is nothing but it is a strategic document. Plan is nothing but it is a strategic document which describes how to perform a task, how to perform a task in an effective, efficient, optimized way.
Okay.
So plan is nothing but it is a strategic document which describes how to perform a task in effective and efficient and optimized way. Optimized way means utilizing the maximum inputs. Utilizing the inputs.
Maximum. Okay.
Yes, maximum. We are utilizing all the inputs and we will try for maximum output. That is called optimization. So why we are planning, we want to complete this particular project effectively and efficiently and optimized way. That's the reason we are planning. So if you do planning, that work will be very easy. If you without planning, that work somewhat hard. So if you do plan, just we can do our work very easy. So this test plan document prepared by test lead. Today we will discuss only test plan document. So here we have 12 points we will discuss today. So this 12 points is very, very important. So compulsory you should buy hard at any cost. Okay. There is no sequence, but compulsory you should buy hard. Right.
Sir, any material to learn how to make a test plan, how to prepare a test plan?
Yes, I have test plan documents also, madam. How to prepare test plan document, I will tell you, madam. So today I will teach you test plan content. You can get it. What is what?
Okay, sir.
Test plan document. First point, introduction. 1.1, objective. Objective means the purpose of the document. Clearly he will describe here in this section. The purpose of what is the main purpose of the document? Clearly he will describe here in this section. What is that book covers? What is this document contains? What is this book aim, what is that, what is the use of this test plan document, everything he will listed out here in this section. So whenever you are buying the new book, in the first page itself, author of the book, he will write something that is called objective. What is that book covers, what is that book contains, what is the use of that book, what is the aim of book. So he will list it out in the first page itself. That is called objective, madam. If you buy any new book, each and every book having one objective. Objective means first page itself. First page we can get one page. In that book he will write what is that book covers, what is the use of book. He will describe here in this section. Here test plan document also having one objective. What is the use of test plan document, what is the what is that book contains, what is the how to implement, everything he will listed out here in this section. That is called objective. Second point, 1.2, reference documents. Reference documents. Next point, reference documents. If you want to complete this particular project, so we should follow some documents. We should follow some documents. What are the documents?
FRS, sir.
Oh, no, 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 no.
FRS.
Previous
Okay.
projects, previous project documents we should follow.
Oh.
What are the documents we should follow? He will list it out here in this section. That is called a reference document. So if you want to complete this particular project, so compulsory we should follow some documents. What are the documents? Similar project, similar compulsory. Each and every software company, they will maintain common repository, madam. Already I told you, each and every software company, they will maintain common repository. Common repository is nothing but it is a storage place where we can store the total company information. Total company information they will store in one repository, that is called common repository. In this common repository, they will store upcoming project information, recently completed project information also they will store in with a special icon representation. Okay, with meaningful
Okay, sir.
name they will store and they will keep in common repository. That is called common repository. Common repository is nothing but it is a storage place where we can store the total company information. For example, we recently did one project that is ICICI Bank project. Recently we did one project that is ICICI Bank project. So nearly 200 members they did in 2 years, madam. 200 members they did in 2 years. So after before delivery, this set of copy we will keep in common repository. This set of copy we will keep in common repository. One set of copy we will keep in common repository. Okay, it's over.
Okay.
After some years, we got another project that is HDFC project.
Okay.
Similar project. If you want to open the account in HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank, template is same, nearby same. Some fields extra, some fields less. Remaining all total structure will be same, right?
Okay, sir.
So already we have similar project information, ICICI Bank information already we have. Using this information, we can complete this particular project within 2 months, madam. Within 2 months.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Nearly we saved nearly how many months, madam? Nearly 22 months we saved. Just a similar project, just a similar project. Just we need to edit the titles, something, some fields extra, some fields less. Some fields we can add, some fields we can remove. So it's very easy task. Already we have total structure. For example, you are trying. For example, you have 4 years experience. So already you prepared one resume. I have also 4 years experience. I don't have any resume. So first I will take resume from you and just I will change the title. If I want to change any projects, I can change. Remaining total structure is same. Within you prepared your resume 1 month, but I can prepare my resume only 1 hour.
Yes.
Why? Because total structure will be there. Just we need to change the information. Just to change the information. In the place of your name, I will keep my name. In the place of your phone number, I will keep my number. In the place of your mail ID, I will keep my mail ID. If I want to change any project, I can change. So total
Okay, sir.
information already we have structure. So using that information, they can complete that particular project only 2 months only. Nearly they saved nearly crores of rupees. That is the use of reference documents. They will
So
here.
how long does it take to prepare a test plan basically? If it is
Based
going to
on the
be very...
project, madam, based on the project, based on the team, based on the company, based on the project type, everything we can't say. But test plan prepared by test lead, so he will prepare set of guidelines, and using that guidelines we can work with that particular project.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so here he will reference document in the place they will write ICICI Bank. They will write ICICI Bank. So that's the reason, madam. That's the reason. Only banking domain projects they will accept only banking projects only. Why? Because
Mhm.
already they did some projects. Some of the information compulsory it will help. Some already completed
Mhm.
project information compulsory it will help. That's the reason.
Mhm.
Always they will choose. Always they will choose only already developed. For
Yes.
example, that is the banking domain company. Only banking domain projects only they will do. If I want one insurance domain project, so if I go there they will not accept. Why? Because they don't have
Mhm.
any insurance project information, like previous project
Mhm.
information they don't have, so they will not
Mhm.
accept my project. Why? Because so they don't have information. If they have
Who
information they
won't
can.
accept? Who won't accept, sir?
What, ma?
Who won't accept? Who won't accept if we don't have prior domain project?
Yeah, for
Either client won't accept or the company
a
won't
company
accept.
company will not accept. Why? Because they don't have any information. They need to start from scratch level. So
Mm.
that's the
Mm.
reason they will not accept. They will not accept. That is the
Accept.
reason. That is the reason. Banking domain companies only banking projects only they will accept. Insurance domain companies only insurance projects only they will accept. Healthcare domain companies only healthcare domain projects only they will accept. That is the main
Mhm.
reason.
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Reference introduction objective reference documents. Okay, first point is
Mhm.
over, madam.
Okay, sir.
Second point, coverage of testing. In this 2.1, features to be testing.
Mhm.
2.2, features not to be testing.
Priority and prioritizing the testing. No,
Yes,
are they ignoring? Okay.
features to be testing, features not to be testing. What features we need to test, what features no need to test, he will listed out here in this section, that is the coverage of testing. What
Okay,
features
sir.
compulsory we need to test, so what features no
Mm.
need to test. For example, so customer said three buttons in the application.
Okay, sir.
Three buttons in the application. First button is
Mhm.
mandatory. He said mandatory.
Mhm.
Second button he said not mandatory. Third button is mandatory. He said.
Mhm.
So this second button no need to test. It is a low risk feature. Okay, it is a low risk
Okay.
feature. There
Lower.
is no risk. So if it is working, no risk. If it is not working, no risk. So it is a low risk feature. So what features we need to test? What features no need to test? He will listed out here in this section, that is called features to be testing. Sorry, coverage of
Sir,
testing.
okay, sir. Doubt if we are going in with the testing process,
Hmm.
and during the end, I mean, we don't have time.
Hmm.
So that time we have not tested this low risk button. So that's okay. So the client will accept if you are not testing or if you are not covering that particular low risk button.
Yes, that he said customer he didn't mention. So if he didn't
Okay.
mention, then no need to test. So if you mention, then we can test the application, the feature. We can test the button or any web element or when any element or anyone, madam.
Mm-hmm.
So if you mention, then we will concentrate. Otherwise, we can leave it.
No, he says that it is a low risk button. Then we have any, if it
He
is low
didn't
risk
mention.
button also we.
Madam, low risk means he didn't mention not mandatory.
Okay, that's what.
Uh,
So it's okay to leave, ignore that.
we can ignore.
Okay, sir.
No need to test.
Okay, sir.
Next. Third point, test strategy. In test strategy, what is test strategy? What is the main difference between test plan and test strategy? Test plan is nothing but applicable for only that particular project. Test plan is applicable for only that particular project. Test
Okay.
strategy is nothing but it is a organization level term. Each and every test plan should follow the test strategy. Plan
Okay,
is
sir.
applicable for only this particular project. This plan is applicable for only this particular project. This plan is applicable for only this particular project. So total company having own plan, that is called test strategy.
Okay, sir.
Total company having own plan that is called test strategy. Okay, plan is applicable for only this particular project. Test strategy is applicable for all the projects. Each and every test plan should follow the test strategy. So
Okay.
each and every project having own plan that is called a test plan, madam.
Okay, sir.
Each and every company having one own plan that is called a test strategy, madam.
Okay, sir.
So whenever you are facing the interview, that time they may ask you like, what is the main difference between test plan and the test strategy? Plan is nothing but this is particular project plan. This is applicable for only this particular project. Test
Okay.
strategy is nothing but it is the organization level term. Each and every test plan should follow the test strategy. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Next 3.1 levels of testing. Already we discussed. There are 5 levels of testing is available in testing: unit level testing, module level testing, integration level testing, system level testing, user acceptance level testing. 3.2 types of testing.
Okay, sir.
So nearly we have 18 types of testings available in manual testing. Already we discussed build acceptance testing, regression testing, retesting, alpha testing, beta testing, static testing, dynamic testing, installation testing, compatibility testing, usability testing, end-to-end testing, monkey testing, experts testing, reliability testing, port testing, mutation testing, Haddock testing, security testing. Already we
Okay, sir.
discussed.
Sir, in interview, if they're asking what are the types of testing,
Mm.
then I have to start telling that first static, dynamic. Under the static, dynamic, we do have so many test cases, or I mean test types of testing, or I have to just start with 18 types of testing.
No. First we should tell. So first type
Hmm.
of testing, bill acceptance testing. After that, your choice, your wish.
Okay,
First
sir.
one,
Okay.
bill acceptance testing.
Okay, sir.
Right. Types of testing is over. Next, test design techniques. Test design techniques. There are two techniques available in manual testing. One is, what do you mean by technique? First of all, tell me, madam. What do you mean by technique?
Technique is something, way of doing.
Hmm.
Way of doing, how we do that, and a skilled way of doing.
Okay. A complex task solved by very simple way, that is called technique.
Okay.
Okay. First one, BVA. There are two
Okay.
techniques available in manual testing. One is boundary value analysis. Boundary
Analysis.
value analysis.
Analysis.
Second one, ECP, equivalence class partition.
Partition.
ECP. ECP means
Equivalence class partition.
equivalence class partition. There are two techniques available in manual testing. One is BVA, second one is ECP. BVA means boundary value analysis. ECP means equivalence class partitions. Using these two techniques, we can do our work very easy. So these are the two techniques. Wherever you go, all the software companies will follow only these two techniques, BVA and ECP. BVA means boundary value analysis. ECP means equivalence class partition. So
Okay, sir.
these two techniques I will teach you later, madam. Why? Because
Okay, sir.
after discussing test cases concept only, you can get very clear.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 3.4. 3.4 terminology.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Terminology. 3.4 terminology. Whenever you are working with a software company, regularly we will use some terms that is called terminology. For example,
Okay.
if you are going to hospital, so regularly we will use medicine, injection, doctor, nurse, ICU, operation. Okay, and operation and operation theater, scanning, injection, medicine, tablets.
Mm-hmm.
Just like we will use these terms, that is called terminology. So if it is software company, we will use project to product to quality, defect to review, peer review, audit to inspection, QA, quality assurance, quality control. verification, validation, SRN, CRN. Just these are the terms we will use regularly. So this is called a
Right.
terminology. So this terminology separately I will teach you, madam. Separately I will teach you. Nearly 40 terms I
Okay.
will teach you. Not now. This is also pending, madam.
Okay, sir.
Separately 40 to 50 terms I will explain you separately, madam.
Okay, sir.
Right. Next 3.5.
Excuse me.
Test metrics.
Mhm.
Test metrics. Metrics means measurements. Each and every software company, they will provide some supported documents. That is called a test metrics. Metrics means measurements. So use case template, test case template, defect profile template, requirement gathering template. So they will provide some list of documents, supported documents. That is called
Okay, sir.
test metrics. Metrics means measurements. Why you are calling
Okay.
metrics? So each and every software company, they will follow own metrics, own measurements. So that is called test metrics. And 3.6, configuration management.
Sir, one question, sir. Other than requirement traceability metrics, just can you tell me what are all the other metrics, not now, later, just other metrics which we follow in industry for
Okay, sure,
testing?
sure, I will teach you, madam. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank
Next,
you.
configuration management. In this configuration management, we have two things, madam. One is change control.
Okay.
Second one is version control.
Okay.
One is change control, other one is version control. What do you
Version
mean by
control.
change control? I will explain you clear manner. Just observe carefully, madam. First,
Okay.
FRS document. FRS document. They are sending
Mm-hmm.
one set of copy developers, another set of copy testers. In the FRS,
Mm-hmm.
customer said one application, he want one application, that application contains should two buttons. Customer,
Okay.
he want one application, that application contains two buttons only. So developers, based on the customer requirements, developers will develop the application. Parallelly, testers study the customer requirements. So middle of the project, customer came to developer's place and he said, sir, I said two buttons, but I need three buttons. Based on the
Mm-hmm.
customer requirements, developer developed three buttons. They are sending to testing department. Already testers, already they have FRS. In the FRS, already they have information. Already they have
Two
information that
buttons.
application should contain only two buttons,
Two buttons.
but application containing three buttons. So they can feel defect. They can feel defect. We will
Defect.
raise the defect to developers. We will raise the defect to developers. Then
Mm-hmm.
developers will give explanation. Actually, customer middle of the project, customer came and he gave some requirements. That's the reason we developed. So issue closed, project developed, tested, and delivery also. After this project delivery, before delivery, they will keep in common repository. They will keep in common repository. Okay. After some years, we got another project, just a similar project. Just a similar project. We got another project that is another project, just that is similar to this project. Just similar to this project. So if they want to use this document as a reference document, so they will feel confused. Why? Because FRS, in the FRS, that application contains two buttons, but application
Mm-hmm.
is having three buttons. So they will
Mm-hmm.
feel confused. So that is the reason, if it is any changes made by anyone in FRS, so parallelly we need to update the information into FRS. That is called change control. If it is any changes made by anyone in FRS, parallelly we need to update the information into FRS. That is called change control.
That is, they have to have the next version of FRS.
Hmm?
They have to have the next version of FRS, right?
Yes, compulsory we need to update the information into FRS. That the
FRS.
document need to send to testers. So then based on the testers, they will update the information into FRS.
So even in this you are telling about waterfall model, right? In agile model, we won't be having even FRS and all, like basically it is through mail communication.
Yes, madam. So
Okay.
compulsory, if it is any changes made in FRS, parallel we need to update the information into FRS. That is called change control. Next,
Okay.
version control. So version to version, some fields extra, some fields less. So whenever you are raising the defect, compulsory we should mention the version number. Okay, whenever you are raising the defect to developers,
Mm-hmm.
compulsory we should mention the version number. Why? Because version to version, some fields they will add, sometimes they will remove. So this is the 8th version, this is the 9th version. This button is not working actually. C button is not working. So here C is located in here. So if you raise C is not working, they will not accept. So compulsory whenever you are raising the defect, compulsory you need to mention the version number. Then only they will accept. Otherwise they will reject.
Sir, here you said that change control and version control.
Hmm.
So, okay, yeah, we have prepared the test plan and using one FRS and version number 1.
Hmm.
After version number 1, there was one change.
Hmm.
So that is FRS 2. So that again, when we are having another FRS, so basically we have to change the test plan also, right? So
Yes.
test plan also keeps, versioning keeps happening.
Sometimes see, if they change any changes, that is reflection on already existing project or not, they will analyze, madam. If it is any existed project reflection, if it is already developed project, if it is reflected, they will not accept that new requirement, madam. Madam.
No, in under change control,
Hmm.
it change control will be changes in the test plan
Hmm.
or changes in the FRS. Which what will be there in
Only changes in
in
the FRS only.
so basically we have to change the test plan also. Then the version of test plan also should keep happening, right?
Yes, compulsory we need to change the information. Everything will be changed, madam.
That's what if after preparing the test plan, if there is any change in FRS, then test plan version also will be the test plan version
Sometimes
2.
they will change it, sometimes that is now what are the main changes. Based on the change they will change the FRS, change the test plan or not. That is more effect on already test plan or not, they will analyze, madam. If it is that changes, whatever they customer did one change, so that is reflection effect, how much on FRS they will how much on test plan they will analyze. If it is effect on FRS, effect on test plan, they will change, otherwise they can continue.
Okay.
Okay.
If I see the test plan document, then probably I will understand better.
Okay, sure, madam. I will show you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is the
Okay,
test plan document only, but real
sir.
time test plan document I will show you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
3.6 over. Next, 3.7.
Mm-hmm.
Automation plan. If they want to implement automation plan in this particular project, how to implement? He will list it out here in this section. Manual plan prepared by manual test lead, or automation plan prepared by automation test lead. If they want to prepare automation plan, how we can prepare and we can implement automation testing in this project or not? They will analyze it. That is called automation plan.
Okay. Okay, sir.
3.8. List of automated tools.
Mm-hmm.
What are the tools we can use in this particular project? So based on the company economical status, based on the project, based on the customer requirement, they will choose the tools, madam. In market we have number of tools. Within 1,000 also we can get one tool. Within 5 lakhs also we can't get any tool, madam. So we have different tools. Like tools nothing but just like cars. Some car we can get within 1 lakh rupees. Okay, nano car we can get
Okay.
in 1 lakh. Benz car it can nearly crores of rupees we should pay. So based on the person economical status, he can choose the cars, right? So here
Okay.
also, based on the company economical status, they will choose the tools. So tool facilities different, madam. So if you pay only 1,000 rupees, the 1,000 rupees tool facility is different. If you pay 10 crores 10 lakhs rupees and you are buying one tool, so that is facility is
Got
different,
it,
madam.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
nano is car, Benz also car, but different facility is different,
Got
madam. So
Yes, sir. Yes,
facility is
sir.
different. So just like tools also, based on the company economical status, we can choose the tools. Based on the company economical status, we can choose the tools. Okay, based on the company economical status, we can choose the tools. Right. List of automated tools. Okay, 3.5. Okay, over, madam.
Okay.
3 point over. Fourth point, Base criteria.
Okay.
Acceptance criteria. Suspension criteria. Acceptance criteria, suspension criteria. So base
Mm-hmm.
criteria, here we have two things. One is acceptance criteria, second one is suspension criteria. Acceptance criteria means while doing testing, if you get this type of result, our testing is more than enough. No need to test. He will say one endpoint, that is called acceptance criteria. While doing testing, if you get this type of result, our testing is more than enough. No need to test. He will say one
Mm-hmm.
endpoint, that is called acceptance criteria.
Mm-hmm.
Next, suspension criteria. While doing testing, if you get this type of result, so our just stop the process, suspend the process. You will say one endpoint, that is called suspension criteria. So if you get this type of result, just suspend the process, stop the testing. So you will say one endpoint, that is called suspension criteria.
Why to suspend, sir? Suspend means not taking further.
No. The total stop the process. While doing
Okay.
testing, if you get this type of result, this is not at all correct. So suspend the process.
So the application is not coded properly, so we have
Yes,
to send it back
developer.
to the developers
Yes,
because it basically it is done when smoke testing is not passed, so we are passing it to the developers back.
if
So
it
that
is
is
any
what is
small
happening.
defect is there, we can rectify we can raise the defect, madam. So if
Okay.
it is the total function is not available, what we need to do?
We have to send it back to the developers.
Yes, we can suspend the process. No need. So without there is no function, how can I test?
Yes, yes, got it, sir.
Next, fifth point. Test deliverables.
Okay.
During delivery, we need to provide some documents. During delivery, we need to provide some documents. What are the documents we need to provide? He will list it out here in this section. For example, if you buy new TV, they will provide some list of documents, user manual, known issues document, some plugins they will provide. That is
Okay,
called
sir.
test deliverables. During project delivery, we need to provide some supported software, so add-ins, so plugins we need to provide. What are the documents we need to provide? He will list it out here in this section. That is called test deliverables.
Okay, sir.
Next, test environment. Test environment. So customer
Mm-hmm.
said that developed project should work in Windows 7 environment. So first of all, we should create that environment in our company. If it is working, then only we will go to customer place and we will install the application into client environment. So
Okay,
here
sir.
test environment is very, very important. So recently already I told you, one customer healthcare domain, recently, 2 years back, one company developed one project, nearly 66 members, they did that project nearly 2 years, madam. After 2 years,
Mm-hmm.
during delivery, that application is not working with that customer
Their
specified
environment.
environment. Simply customer rejected. So if it is one button is not working, okay, we can rectify the problem, we can solve the problem. That is not big issue. So if it is not customer requirement is that developed project should work in Windows 7 environment. That application is
Mm-hmm.
not supporting Windows 7 environment. So simply customer rejected. So why he compromise? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
simply rejected. That is the concept test environment.
So basically, this test environment is more important in client server projects more than web server. I mean web-based projects, right?
Which if it is in the client server application or web application, if it is any application, customer specified environment, that application should work. So compulsory, that is if it is
Mm-hmm.
normal window based application or client server application or web application, test environment is very, very important.
Okay, sir.
Seventh one, resource planning. Resource planning. So if we want to complete this particular project, we need money, time, employees, premises, technology, software. We need all those things. So we have or not. So particularly, not only resources means not only employees, all the people, all the people. Resource planning means all the people. So
Mm-hmm.
resources means time, money. all the people means resources, employees, premises, software, technology. We need these things. So we have or not. So for example, this project is banking domain project. Banking domain professionals available or not. So just they will analyze all the resources. They will analyze all the resources, and he will list it out here in this section, that is resource planning.
Okay.
8th point, scheduling. Scheduling. Scheduling is very, very important, madam. Software company will follow perfectly only schedule, madam. Perfectly they will follow. For example, I will tell you with a small example. For example, this is the work, madam. You are the 4 members. You are doing work. This is today work. This is tomorrow work. This is the after tomorrow work. Actually, today only 2 members came, 2 members absent, madam. This work is already scheduled. Already scheduled. At any cost, we should complete this work today. 2 members came to company, 2 members absent. At any cost, these 2 members, at any cost, they need to complete this work today itself. Up to 2 or 4, 5, 6, whatever it is. So at any cost, they need to complete this work today only. Okay. Tomorrow, 4 members came. Just they did that work only within 1 hour, madam. Tomorrow work they will not give. This work today scheduled. Okay. Tomorrow work they will not give, madam. That is software company, madam. Only
I didn't understand, sir. Sorry.
actually this is the work, madam. This is the today work, tomorrow work, day after tomorrow work, madam.
Okay.
In this project we have 4 members, madam. This is today 4 members came to company, 2 members came to company, madam. 2 members absent, madam.
Okay.
At any cost we should complete that work with the 2 members only.
Okay.
At any cost, up to 2, 3, they need to stay there and they need to complete that work at
Okay.
any cost.
They have completed. Day 1 they have completed.
Day 1
Okay.
completed. Day 2, only 4 members came to company, madam. But they did that work in within 1 hour, madam.
Okay. Remaining hours, what they were doing?
They can they will not give any work, madam. They can come out, they can
Okay.
do any other works in the company, they can do anything,
Okay.
but they will not assign other work, madam. That is software company, madam.
Oh, okay.
Okay, for example, so this month is 30, madam. This month is 30. This month is 30. 28th is Friday. 29th Saturday. Saturday holiday. First Monday. Saturday, Sunday holiday. So 28th evening only they can credit the money, madam.
Okay. Salary.
Salary. So at any cost, if it is that salary day, if it is holiday, before day only they will credit into your account, madam.
That and all, yes, sir. No, in my domain, if they are not having work, then we will be assigning some other work from other studies.
But
So, because your software company, you said it is a different thing. Okay.
it's very different, madam. They will not assign tomorrow work, and at any cost, today work at any cost you should complete.
We will have to complete.
At any cost, there is no reasons, madam.
So this work resource work, I mean this work will be assigned by team leads,
Team lead.
right?
Yes, madam.
If the resources are not having any work, they are simply roaming around the office. So manager won't question team lead, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
If it is there is no work, you can go anyway.
Okay, sir. Okay. No, that's what. If they are simply roaming and they are chatting also, manager won't question team leader, right?
No. That's your
Okay,
choice. That's your. Yesterday we did long hours. Yesterday we did long hours, na? Day 1 we did
Okay.
long hours. Day 2 there is no work, so we can come out.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right. 9th, staffing and training.
Okay, sir. I got it. Okay.
Staffing and training.
Training.
So For example, we have another new project, that is insurance domain project. Right now, less insurance professionals currently we have, so we need to recruit
Mm-hmm.
the insurance people, insurance domain professionals. So how to recruit, where exactly we how to recruit, where we need to recruit, and through consultancy or company, okay, we recruited. After recruiting, how to give the training, internal resources or external resources, they will planning, that is called staffing and training.
Okay, sir.
10th point, risks and solutions.
Mm-hmm.
What are the main risks in software company? What are the solutions? He will list it out here in this section. So one risks I will tell you. Tell me the answer. Middle of the project,
Mm-hmm.
employees may leave the company.
Okay.
What is the solution, madam?
Backup resources.
Backup resources means?
We have to train someone immediately, or they should be already there in the project
Yes.
with the project knowledge, and we have to put them in place.
Yes, madam. For example, this project needs 20 members, madam. The project needs 20
Mm-hmm.
members. They will recruit 20, 30 members, madam. They will give training to 30 members, madam. They will take into project 20 members, madam. Remaining 20
Mm-hmm.
members, they will keep on bench.
Oh, they'll be doing nothing.
Extra
Okay.
employees. Okay, if anyone is not coming, or anyone is moving to another company, that time they will replace with him.
Oh, okay, sir.
That is, so for example, India team size is 11 members, but whenever they are recruiting, they will selecting nearly 20 to 25 members. Why, madam? Extra employees. If it
Mm-hmm.
is anyone injured in the place of him, in the place of that fellow, they will keep another fellow. Next, assumptions. 11th,
Okay.
assumptions. If we want to complete this particular project, we need to assume another project. Which project we need to assume, he will list it out here in this section, that is called assumptions. Assume, we need to assume the
Mm-hmm.
another project, so he will list it out here in this section. 12th point, approval information. 12th point, approval information. 12th point, approval information. This document is properly perfect. This document is perfect.
Mm-hmm.
So this document prepared by test lead. So he need to get the permission from his superiors like project managers, technical managers. He need to get the permission from his superiors. So who gave permission? His permission, the person name, designation, data permission, everything he will listed out here in this section. This document
Mm-hmm.
prepared by test lead actually. So he need to
Mm-hmm.
get the permission from his superiors. Who gave permission, he will listed out here in this section, that is called approval information.
Okay.
So this is the test plan document, madam. 12 points. So it is very difficult to learn, so compulsory you should remember, and some compulsory by heart, madam. There is no other
Okay,
alternate.
sir.
Just these are the very simple terms you should remember. This is the
Mm-hmm.
test plan document prepared by test lead. Okay,
Okay.
successfully
Okay.
completed.
Okay,
Test
sir.
plan prepared
Sir,
by test lead.
okay. You said that next you are having classes. You won't be having any break also in between. So if you let me know if you want to push the class even further. I mean, say we are having from 6 o'clock to 7:30, right? 6 to 7, right?
Mm.
So you want to have from 5:30 of your time?
5:30. Yeah. Tomorrow not possible. Can day after
No,
tomorrow
no.
onwards.
I'm asking. No, for your convenience
If it is
because.
5:30, we can change the timings. Okay. Before that, I have
Mhm.
normal class, madam. 4:30, the 4:30 to 6, I have normal class. So I will change the timing. So 4 to 5:30. So your
No,
timing is
because you
5:30 to.
don't have, yeah, because you said you don't have any break itself in between. It will
No
be
need, no
very
need,
tough
no
for you.
need. Continuously, I can take 18 classes, madam. 18 classes continuously, I can talk, madam. So I
No, no,
already.
sir, you have to take some break and all.
No
That's
need,
what I'm telling you.
no need, madam. No need, madam. Mm.
Okay,
Actually,
fine, sir. You let me know.
Actually, this is 6 to 7 class, madam. 7 to 8 Selenium class, madam. 8 to 9 same class I need to repeat. Why? Because she can't come your timings. You can't come our timings.
Yeah, I got it,
Yeah.
sir.
So
Because I am forming.
That's the reason. So after this class, I will take Selenium class. After that same class, once again and repeat this class only, test plan only. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever it is, have a nice day. Take care, madam.
Okay.
This recorded file I will send you,
Okay.
madam. Have a nice day. Take care.
Okay,
Bye,
sir.
ma.